Hi crafties, today we're going to be making something fun using cardstock, an acrylic stick, ribbon, and the sweetest detail, white pearl embellishments. I already put together my layered seashell, and I used Malibu Coral from the Encore collection and Pink Lemonade from the Pop Tone collection. I am securing my ribbon to my wand by tying it into a simple bowl like you would a shoelace, leaving a little space at the top, adding a pinch of hot glue, and pushing it to secure it. Personally, I like my ribbon to be a little longer than the stick itself. So this is cute, right? Well, let's make it cuter. 12 by 12 cardstock has these adorable mixed size pearl embellishment kits, and I am absolutely loving them. They come with a variety of sizes to give your project that extra little pop of whimsy that it so needs. Grab a wax pen pickup tool to assist with picking up your embellishments and some Barely Arts precision glue for adhering to your cardstock. Begin by adding a small amount of glue where you want your pearls to be added. Make sure you're using just a small dab, grab your tool, pick up your pearl one at a time, and apply directly onto the glue. A tool that's also going to assist you for ease is going to be a rhinestone tray. The embellishments have flat backs, and this tray is going to make it so much easier to move them around for easy pickup and application. An important thing to note is that the flat part of the pearl is the part that is going to be glued down, so make sure you're picking up your pearl with your pen by the rounded side. Work in small sections so that the glue doesn't dry out. This came out so cute, and honestly, the pearl embellishments really made my project stand out. I hope you enjoy adding pearl embellishments to your projects, as they really do feel whimsical, and they can be added to just about anything.